Is the lighting not right? Is it too dark?
Oh, look, another basement. More stairs. He's like, I'm locked in.
Later.
Look at this one.
Tight. Man, look, there's more stairs, bro, look. Oh my God.
Look, there's more stairs.
And there's more stuff over here first. Wow. Check this out. Look.
We were gonna do it, remember?
Hey,
We were gonna do it that day, remember? Hey, look at Steve Fuckwell.
yeah, look at this. White boy dick.
What you got?
Some white boy dick.
I thought his name was White Boy Rick.
Right? What's in these cans?
What's going on in here? What's that sign say?
Cherry odor concentrate.
Storm, I got some for you. Look at that.
1995.
Ain't shit changed neither, is it?
No.
Look at this, bro.
Look at all these pictures. Some photographs. Ooh, look at that.
Find our Gary thing in here, bro.
Look, here's all kinds of pictures of Gary. Check this shit out.
Real one?
Yeah, look. Look at that. Personnel manual. Scott King. Look.
Oh, look at it.
Somebody was doing some exploring. Look at this.
That's it where they tore him down.
Dang, is that the demon house? Right? It looks like it. Almost.
Hey, check
Look.
this out, bro.
Somebody's urban exploring. Pictures of places they tore down.
Oh man, we need those.
Those are tight.
Yeah, you might as well take those if they're just laying there garbage. Anybody out there who
Look.
disagrees with that?
Personnel manual. City Gary, Scott King.
Scott King's the mayor. Garbage pickup program set to go. Boy, that never got around, did it?
Right.
Look right here, little story here.
It is.
Every wire off here.
Gary's
Dang.
Black Citizens up here, ready for change.
Storm, I got something for you.
All right,
Here's the change right here. Look at
Broadway buildings go down to make more, to make way for improvements.
The hell?
What is this? Clause of death, clean up city,
It's like Pac-Man.
Look at this, bro.
garbage.
They stripped every
Yeah,
last piece
that's
of wire.
Collection, garbage pickup.
See that?
Man, I just need one of those city seal
Places they were
stickers,
tearing
man.
down.
Look, here's some more pictures. There's a demon house tree.
Broken limb.
Alley of Mount Street. Oh, that's Chelsea's neighborhood.
Look at all these buckets of stuff behind, man. Pictures
There's some
everywhere.
weed.
Alley of Mount Street.
I would have. Then they used to put weed in these.
Yeah.
Some people
You know
still
what that
do.
is? That's for a film. Yep.
Mount Street. That's all by Chelsea's house. She lives on Mount.
Look at 24th and
Fourth.
Connecticut.
Look at this. There's one of the ones with those pots in the front of Gary on the
Wow,
wall.
look at that.
Looks like it's in front of Jack's pawn shop.
That's a nice one there. Ooh, there's a bunch of them, huh?
24th Connecticut Street.
Wow, this is all for teardown and shit.
Oh, you got to be kidding. My bad.
37th
to
and Broadway?
Really?
That's a good picture right there.
What are they doing? I don't understand why that.
I think those pictures of places that had it torn down. You lost your light? I got a flashlight
I
here.
got to look at this one right here. It's brand new batteries. No, it's right. Should be right there. You got it? In the open pocket? The big square one. Where you put it?
I can't see, man.
It's in the big pocket.
You didn't find my square one, my handheld one? Where'd you put it at, Steve?
Right here, I
That's
think.
what I was in. No, it's this one.
Yeah, that's how.
Pack of cigarettes. I don't know.
Here. Bing.
Cool, thank you.
Buy this brand new battery. Or charged. It's all charged up. Look at this shit. Oh wow, look at hidden room. Hidden room, guys. All right. They didn't hide it too good.